Hi everybody, welcome to the Decision Science News VI Vim tutorial. To begin, the first thing we'll do is type I. This puts us in insert mode, which means the mode in Vim in which you can enter text. So we type something such as, I would like 3 eggs over easy. Oh, and some coffee, too. Now that you've entered this text, you can move around a bit with the arrow keys and do some crude editing. For example, I can backspace over words and type them again, and the delete key also works. However, this is generally not the way that you edit text in Vim. Generally, what you want to do is to switch to edit mode. You do this by hitting Escape or Control open bracket. I will do that now. Watch the word insert as it disappears from the bottom of the screen. See, now I'm in edit mode. If I hit I, I'll go back to insert mode, and Escape takes me back to edit mode. I escape, I escape, I escape. Now the thing that really confuses people about edit mode is that you can't just enter text in it. You can only enter special Vim VI commands. And we'll go over some of the most common Vim commands in this tutorial. First, movement commands. To move down in edit mode, you hit J. Notice that the J looks like a down arrow. To move up, hit K. It makes sense that K would be up because it's right next to down, which is J. And since J and K are home keys, you can move up and down very quickly. To move left, hit H, which makes sense because it is to the left of the up-down keys, and to move right, hit L. So here I'm hitting L to move right, H to move left, L, H, K, J. And that is space-by-space movement. Now let's give ourselves some more text to work with. Move up to the first line of text and hit YY. The YY command yanks a line of text, kind of like copying it. Now press P. P, as you can see, is like paste. You'll see that it pastes the copied line, and now we have the first line twice. To do a command many times in Vim, you just type a number and then that command. So for instance, type 5 followed by P, 5P, and you'll see that it pastes 5 times. Similarly, if we were to type 99P, it will paste 99 times. Try it. 99P. I've just put 99 lines there. Yikes, how to undo that? Well, there's 2 ways we can get back. First is to type U, which will undo the last action. So I just type U, and those 99 lines are gone. We just have the first ones that I pasted. The other way that I could do it is with the delete lines command, DD. So I'll type 99P again, so I just pasted in those 99 lines, and now what I'll do is I'll type 99DD, and I just executed the DD command 99 times. DD, again, is delete lines. How do you join lines? It's simple. You use capital J. Up at the top here, if I hit capital J, I can join all of these sentences into one line. Capital J, capital J, capital J, capital J, capital J, capital J. Now I have this long line. I'll do YY again to yank this long line, and I'll hit P to paste it. Now we have some more text to edit. We've looked at moving left and right character by character, but there's a better way. If we type W, we skip to the next word or punctuation mark. W, 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 W. If we type B, we skip to the previous one. B, B, B. W, 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 W. B, 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 B. To jump to the next sentence, we hit close parentheses. See that? Notice that close parentheses looks like a right arrow. So it's kind of pointing to the sentence to the right. Similarly, open parentheses looks like a left arrow, and it takes us to the previous sentence. So next sentence, next sentence, next sentence, previous sentence, previous sentence, previous sentence, just using the parentheses keys. To go to the beginning of the current line, we type 0. 0 put me right there. And to go to the end of the current line, we type $. There I am at the end. 0, beginning of line, $, end of line. 0, $, 0, $. Now let's delete some words. Hit 5B to move back 5 words. 5B. To delete one word to the right, we're going to type DW. DW. To delete one word to the left, we would type DB. DB. To delete a sentence, move into the sentence and type DAS. DAS. Sentence is gone. Another way to delete a sentence, say the sentence to the left, would be type D open parentheses. D open parentheses, deleted the sentence to the left. I'm going to move back a sentence now and show that if I want to delete a sentence to the right, I can hit D close parentheses. D close parentheses, sentence to the right is deleted. To delete just one character, simply type X. You can also use the delete key. Okay, we've done a bunch of stuff in edit mode, but you probably want to get back to actually typing something. How do you return to insert mode? There are a few ways. We've already talked about I. This will let me insert before the cursor. So we see here the cursor is on the L in like. If I type I and then start typing, I'm inserting before the cursor. I hit escape to go back to command mode. And if I hit A, I can start typing after the cursor. So here the cursor's on Y, I type A, and I'll hit escape again to go back to command mode. Now let's say I want to insert something on the line below the current line. So here we are on the current line. If I just type O, I start inserting on the line below. Now I can type Hi Dad and hit escape to go back to command mode, edit mode, excuse me. To start typing on the line above, I type capital O, Hi Sis, and again hit escape to go back to command mode. If you have trouble remembering which is above and which is below, think of the O's as filled with helium. The capital O will hold more helium and go above the lowercase o. To start inserting at the beginning of the line, type capital letter I. So this has moved me to the beginning of line, and I'll type start of line. Go back to edit mode. To start typing at the end of the line, type capital A. Think A for after the line. I'll type end of line here and hit escape to go back to edit mode. To continue your learning, search for Vim cheat sheets and tutorials and visit vim.org. Thank you for following along with this Decision Science News tutorial.